Hi, good morning. This is Mrunali. First of all, thank you, Evision, for giving me this opportunity for having a platform to get placed on behalf of everyone. I thankful for Sati ma'am, Priya ma'am, Nisha ma'am for having the good modules, having the network biology and the networking, talking about the physical networking, global networking, everything. Every modules are taught in a clear way in Evision. Evision is the platform where we can grow our career. This is a platform where we can have opportunities to learn, and many more placements are also coming in Evision to Evision platform. I got placed in Tech Mahindra as a technical support. My overall hand salary is 25,000 and my CTs is 30,000. I congratulate everyone who has inculcated, who has grown me, who has tried me to do everything in my life. And Evision is the platform where the growth opportunities are more and placements are more. Thank you, Evision. Thank you all. Thank you, everyone.